Oh wow, yeah.
It's all over. It was 3:30.
3:30, they're still awake.
Yeah.
Oo, may bar pa. Oh, this is in the bar. So what do you do in the bar?
Yeah.
Just drinks. So, ang tagal ko na din nagaganyan, mga ganyan. I think sa Pilipinas pa yung huli. Oo, dito sa city na. Oh, somebody's working on that one. Wow.
Sunday night and Monday morning.
Oh,
Working all night. Pretty good.
grabe na may mga homeless din kami. Ang lamig. Oh, this is the new building. Last year, they're building that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kagawad TV official. Salamat. Ito yung Catholic Church. Ayan, may Catholic Church yan. This is where Chriselle works. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In front of this Captain Cook. Thank you, brother. Ayan. Ayan.
I come in the morning and I always try to slide in here.
Those are residential.
Yeah.
Some people lives there. They're in downtown. Benihana. Sabi ko magda-diet ako eh. Ayaw. Hindi na Ayan, nakaano tayo ah. Tapos magko-park kami sa airport. Tapos yun. Ano na mga Pasko na. Marami na kayong mga Christmas tree, Christmas light. Ano lang meron? Siguro matulog na lang ako sa airport. I think I'm just gonna take a nap at the airport. Wala pa. Anong handa? Diet na lang. Sabihin nyo diet. Kung walang handa, nagda-diet kayo. Ang dami kasing bilihin, no? Pag Pasko. Kakatempt bumili. Yan. Na ako mag-diet, si mother nagluto ng tikoy kagabi. Sarap pa naman ng tikoy. Busog-lusog sa tikoy. Hello, Shilane. Kumusta? Ayan, dito sa bayan, maraming... I always go there and just do the Esplanade when I go to the airport. Is it a new building there? It says Emerald.
Where?
That one. That looks like a name, a new name. Emerald. Wow. Right? It says Emerald.
I didn't catch it.
The name, see?
Emerald. Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So what is that then? Oo. Ay, buti naman. Yeah, makikain na lang sa tama. Correct. Oo. Diet na lang. Siguro kami, ano lang, ano ba? Kunti lang siguro kasi diet din kami. Makikain din kami sa kapitbahay, totoo. Punta kami sa kapitbahay. Kami din makikikain.